Today Qigong routine will be for weight loss. Shake the whole body and then you bow your legs and your toes. So the back legs will be straight, your front legs is square, okay? Feel your palms. You feel your palms open, at the same time your chest open in. Today in this video we have 10 minutes to practice Qigong together. Today Qigong routine will be for weight loss. So many of you request for this video, so I think I will do just only 10 minutes to have a simple movement, have yourself to motivate yourself to practice daily so that you can keep your body healthy, okay? The first movement we call the shaking whole body. Shake, release all tensions. Look like you allow your whole body to jump and release all tension from your muscles, your hands and your legs. Within, out, in, out. Allow yourself to jump and free yourself. Feel free, feel happy to jump. Within, out. That's wonderful. Open your palms, inhale deep, exhale slow. Next one, we call the whole stance meditating. You can stand in two legs, open like this way, okay? And then you can turn the palm together. You lower your knees now. Okay, breathe in, out for 3 times. Breathe in, out. You feel your knees and your back straight, your knees square, 2 legs together. Concentrated. Breathe in, out, in, out. 3 times like that, and then you can stand up. Breathe in, out. That's wonderful. And then we'll left turn, whole stand to the left, okay? So the back legs will be straight, your front legs is square, okay? Breathe in, out. You breathe in and out for 3 times. Breathe in, out, in, out. Okay? And then you can stand up in the center again. Breathe in, out, 1 more time. Okay, and then the right turn. Training your leg. Okay, breathe in, out for 3 times to the right. Feel your 2 legs. In, out, in, out. That's wonderful. Okay, and then you shake your hand and jump. Allow yourself to release all tensions. That's wonderful. So the next movement we call the open the chest. Okay, breathe in, you open your chest. You step up your right leg, open your chest. Breathe out. Come back, okay? Breathe in again, left leg up. Out. Come back. Okay. Open your chest. Inhale. Exhale gently. Left legs in. Out. You feel your palms. You feel your palms open, at the same time your chest open in. Out. Inhale, left hand, left legs. Exhale. Right legs in. Out. That's wonderful. Open your palms. In. Out. Feel your whole body. Feel your two legs. Feel your two hands. The next movement we call the crane. Breathe in. Two hands up together. Stand by one leg. Breathe out. You stretch your right leg. The same time to stretch your two palms together. Shoulders maximum. Okay. Breathe in. Stretch your legs and your hands at the same time. Out. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. In. Out. One more time for the left side. In. Out. That's wonderful. Open your palms. In. Out. One hand inside, another hand outside. You can massage your lower abdomen. Okay? Massage your lower abdomen to circulate the blood. But at the same time, you can make your lower abdomen more relaxed. Okay? Strengthen the muscles around your lower abdomen. And then you can massage your lower back. Okay? Two hands, lower back, and go down to your two legs. And go to front. And go down again. In the back. You can do 3 rounds like that. That's wonderful. Raise your hands up and stand by the toes. This movement we call the cleansing breath. Breathe in deep. Breathe out. Okay, you let it go. The worries in. Inhale. That's wonderful. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Out. Slow. Put your two palms together on your lower abdomen. You may close your eyes and you feel your breathing. You feel your lower abdomen rising when you breathe in. Lower abdomen is falling when you breathe out, and you feel grounded. Accept your body. Feel good with your body. Every time you can move your body, you feel body alive. That is wonderful. That is so happy for you to recognize the body is alive. It's right here. And then I will take care of you, okay? Feel your whole body is alive and healthy. Feel so happy. Feel the Mother Earth with you. So grateful to be on the Mother Earth. Every time you do exercise, do Qigong, it's an opportunity for you to let it go, to release all worries, anxieties from the body, but at the same time from the mind, so that you can be free and happy. Okay, you can open your eyes.